Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about how you can set up virtual environment. Okay, especially to avoid the conflict between the modules and to reduce the size of a Python application. Okay, so as you know, to begin any kind of a project, especially what you do, you use to install Python, and from that you need to carry all the stuff. Okay, but gradually what happens, if you proceed with other kind of a projects, or different setup will be there. So especially some of the projects will be older, and some of the projects are in a new category. Okay, so what happens, you need to get some module with only some kind of a version. Okay, so that thing what I'm gonna do is the virtual environment come in place. Okay, so you need to create a virtual environment. Okay, so environment will be specifically for this project, for this version. Okay, so that you need to carry. Okay, and so suppose if you generated any kind of a application, Python application from PyInstaller, if you globally install that stuff, okay, the heavy amount of size will get distributed, unwanted packages will be take over your project. Okay, so it's better that you create a virtual environment. From that, whatever you want, you just make progress. Okay, so all you need a folder where exactly you want to start all of this and to create your virtual environment. So you can create a folder. From that you can take out that part. Okay, so initially wherever you want to set, just have a folder, or you can set in a desktop straight away, and from that folder you can visit. Okay, so whatever we are going to do in that same category, say what happens, it will straight set each and everything in then and there itself. Okay, so we'll first of all we will go with the installation of our virtual environment, which will be pip install virtual env. Okay, so virtual environment get installed globally, and from globally we will decide whichever folder we want our Python installation and want to keep specific for specific modules. Okay, so I think whenever you want to begin this project, this one will be the best, and this is quick setup for you. So you need to install virtual environment, you can set your folder. Okay, and according to that you can go. Okay, and next what happens is, suppose if you set virtual environment, you need to choose a file. Okay, so all you have to say python -m venv. Okay, so virtual environment, and after that you need to define your folder. So ours is fast dash. If it is not created folders, it will create a folders for you, and then exactly the installation will be there. So we see the installation here, so each and everything is installed. So this .cfg is also important, so you don't have to see to that you don't delete anything. Okay, just keep each and everything. Okay, so what happens after that, the virtual environment gets created, and after this what we're gonna do is we will activate this stuff. Okay, so first of all we'll get in these things. Okay, I mean you have to get in this folder to activate this stuff, especially this folder need to be activated. So we will visit this folder, and what we have to say is / in backward you have to go and you have to say activate. Okay, so these are the syntax which you need to follow. Okay, especially scripts, in the sense this is your folder scripts, and you need to activate this stuff. Okay, so from that whatever installation you do, it will carry from then and there itself. Okay, so if I ask where is my Python, okay, it will exactly, so as you can see, wherever my Python folder is there, okay, it will definitely gonna show me. Okay, so I think I've been gone with these things where Python, if I ask, I think it will give me what I'm looking for exactly. Okay, so instead of where is Python, just a where Python. So these are, I think my folders are exactly contained with the Python. Okay, so as you can see, even this folder Also I got my Python. Okay, so exactly it is showing where exactly my Python is there. Okay, so this is my main folder. Okay, from exactly global Python, where exactly each and everything installed, and from where I carry. And if I ask for like pip list, what exactly I've been installed in my this Python folder especially, so I just get to know that pip is installed and setup tools is there. So from here whatever I want I can carry. Okay, so suppose if I want to install this pandas, okay, so this will be set up. So if I say pip install pandas, so exactly what happens, only this particular folder will get my installation of pandas, and whichever version I want I can go with it. Okay, so as you can see it is installed, and particularly it is taking this folder only, not other. See, pandas is installed, and if I ask what exactly lists are there, okay, it will show me. So I think with pip setup tools, each and everything with the pandas whatever installed, I can see the version, and with the version it is installed. Okay, and from that I can carry whichever I want. Say suppose if I know the version or any kind of a modules which I once installed. Say suppose if I install this files version, okay, so I can say pip install version 2. So this I can do. So whichever version I want I can go for it, otherwise I want version 1. Okay, so these are the things which you can follow from this stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.